We're here on the My Ultimate Four-Wheel Drive Mini Wiraba, or as some like to refer to it, Mini Wiraba. Team 29 are just into it. Moving now through the 10 and 20 point gates. Course here, very different to how it's been run in previous years. And a lot dirtier. Plenty of rocks, plenty of dirt to rock transfers, plenty of boulders to get hung up on. Call comes for a little bit of a punch, they clear the rock and continue with the forward movement. That's 2 reverse penalties now for this corner alone. Not only cuts into their time, but also into the overall points. Tuff Truck is a strategic game, accruing as many points as you possibly can. Front end climbing nicely now up and over those boulders. Oh, it's got quite a nice line now. Coming up and into this drop-off section now in the middle of the track. Cool, suspension flexes nicely to drop down, a little bit of drag on the chassis there, but not a problem at all. Section seems to be a little bit more open, a little bit wider than previous years, not as tight. Slight delay with the navigator picking a line, moving rocks. They're trying to cut nice and tight across into that tree. Rear diff hung up on that big boulder, dragging off it nicely now though. Cutting in nice and close to that tree. Trying to maximise their turning circle. So they'll bring that nose around a considerable amount though. Clocking up the back and fills here. Certainly digging into their possible points. This is the big difference with the rear steer vehicles, makes it so much easier. You do take a penalty for the rear steer, but overall it does give you a massive advantage. Right, that should be their final back and fill now, lined up nicely for the 70 point gate. All right, finally some forward progress. Car number 29 is moving again through the 70 point gate just about. All right, front wheels coming up. Navigator running forward as the driver punches up and over. It's a nice drive there so far. Nicely prepared vehicle, close to full bodied. It's like JMW engineered custom divs. All right, they are going to come up and have a crack at the bonus line. But unfortunately, time is called. That's the end of their run here on the My Ultimate Four-Wheel Drive Mini Wiraba.